The video description is basically telling people what the video is about, but it's also a great place to advertise your products, your affiliate links, and so much more. The first part of the description is very important because YouTube will use that to recommend your video. At the beginning of the video description, add your keywords as well, but don't just duplicate your title. If we take our previous title example, How to Make a Vegan Omelet in 5 Minutes, our video description can start with, "This vegan omelet recipe is so quick and simple that you'll fall in love with it." As you can see, we used the same keywords as our title, but we expanded it and made it more interesting for the viewer to read. If we do a YouTube search, for example, Best Camera 2023, you will see that the description also has these keywords at the beginning. Try to make each video description unique and not just copy and paste it. The first 200 characters are above the Show More fold on the description box. So if you want your call to action or link to be seen by most people, keep it within the first 200 characters. After these lines, you can have a little info about you, like, "With 5 years of professional culinary experience on my channel, you'll find cooking tips, tricks, reviews, and the latest kitchen gadgets." Every video you produce should have some kind of call to action. At the end of it, you might direct viewers to a website, or a t-shirt you sell, or an Amazon link to a product you just reviewed. At the very least, you should include links to your other social media platforms and an invitation to subscribe to your channel. If you mention any links to other YouTube videos or websites, the description is the place to put them. Including timestamps in your video description can make your video more user-friendly and help your content rank well on search engines. YouTube video timestamps appear within search results, improving user retention by directing users to the most relevant portion of videos from SERPs. Users can search for keywords that appear in your video's description and click on a thumbnail on the SERP to view the portion of your video that answers their search query. Let's look at one of my videos, I Am Cyrus, here, which uses these timestamps. Now, these are great because it breaks the video into chapters. If you use hashtags in the description of your video, for example, meal prep, sun, or cooking, your viewers can click on those links and they will be brought to a page of videos that share the same hashtag. Not only can you use this method to increase watch time on your own channel, but even if viewers watch someone else's video and stay on YouTube, you'll be rewarded for that effort by YouTube.